In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Resident Evil 4 on PC or laptop. So in order to download and install the Resident Evil 4 on PC or laptop, you have to follow the steps. First thing, go ahead and open up a browser. On the web address bar, go ahead and type in Steam. So in order to access the following game, you have to install Steam on your device. In my case, I happen to already done it and I also have an account. So the procedure is very simple. In order to install the application, you have to head over to the official web browser, which is this one, and then press the install Steam button from the top right, and once again there will be a confirmation. Go through it and click the install Steam button. When you do that, the exe file is going to be loaded up in the top right. Go ahead and press on it once it is completed and create your account. Once you're done creating your account, then head back to your dashboard page and go to stores. When you're on the stores page, sure, you need to go ahead and look for the game that you wish to play. So in that case, we're going with a Resident Evil 4. So type in Resident Evil 4. When you type in that, you need to go ahead and press on the game, and here you'll be able to find the add to cart or install button. Go ahead and install, or go ahead and add it to your cart and proceed on to the checkout procedure, and you'll have successfully downloaded or installed Resident Evil 4 on your PC or laptop. So that is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.